Hey, good morning, everybody. Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Here we are, Germain South, Sunday, Cars and Coffee, and it is just a full crowd going on. Hey, you know, I had a question that came at us. It said, "What do you do? Where's the meeting? Where's the clubhouse? Where's the meeting?" And it's sort of we're not the traditional other car club. There is no clubhouse. It's the chapter, and it's roughly 2,500 members spread across Florida. And we do a lot of driving, a fair amount of eating, but we have all kind of events. We do about 205 events a year. And most weekends there's 2 or 3 events going on across the state that you can get to, drive to, and just pick your choice. Whether it's a car show, whether it's a Cars and Coffee, whether it's a drive, whether it's touring some kind of museum or special interest, we're doing something all the time. We have long drives that take us in the state and out of the state, or multi-state. So there's a lot of things to do with this particular chapter. All the folks that are members see this, and we have very high turnout for our events and stuff. So just wanted to sort of say that. But let me do real quick. While I'm doing this, I'm going to go to my computer. Just for instance, coming up on the 18th, we have the Saturday lunch, September Saturday lunch for the FSC and the Z chapter together. That's on the 18th. On the 20th, we have Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers at the dealership there. And Tuesday the 23rd, we have our Jacksonville get-together, our meet there. All this stuff can be found on our website, on our calendar, and our website's free. You don't have to log in. You just go in, take a look at it, and do that. You can also upload it so that you get that notice. We've changed our events notification, this e-blast, to Tuesday to give you better opportunity to plan for your upcoming weekend. So as we're doing that, you have 2 or 3, 4 days to decide, oh, these are the events I want to take in, and then plan to get there. So we've moved this to Tuesday. Hope it helps you in your planning. We have a bunch of things coming up. We're already planning events all the way into the first and second quarter of next year. And then we have some dates that are save the dates. The big annual luncheon is coming up on the 17th of January. More to come on that. The October drive is closed. It's full. We're taking RSVPs for anybody that has to cancel at the last minute. We'll have some spaces that we might be able to fill. But for right now, the October Cars and Coffee is full. We don't have any more space. We're going to tour the factory. We're going to tour the Foundation, Alpina Collection, and a bunch of other things. Drives, Tail of the Dragon, Charahola Drive, Back of the Dragon. I mean, there's a ton of things going on. So that's why you need to get this information and be able to plan out those kind of things you're going to do. You can see, I don't know if you can see outside, but there's a ton of folks outside, a ton of cars on the outside as well. Hot breakfast here for free. So, I mean, what a cool thing. But we have Cars and Coffees everywhere. We had one yesterday in Lakeland at Fields BMW there. We'll be at BMW Fort Myers next weekend, and dealerships all up and down. BMW Sarasota. Everybody's involved in our process. Luncheons and dinners and stuff, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Lakeland, you name it, we're there. We're doing things all over the Gainesville, Ocala, Villages area. So just a ton of items that are happening. Panama City, drives and dinners and all kind of stuff. So check this out. If you want to get involved and come out and have some fun, you like to drive, we'll do that. You want to car shows, we do that. You want to eat, we'll do plenty of that. But we really don't sit down at meetings. Most of us had careers that we were just full of meetings. We'll get information to you this way through this kind of medium. But to come in for a meeting, we don't do a whole lot of those. We'll meet to drive, we'll meet to eat, we'll meet to see something really interesting. So come on out and share some time with us. Hey, I think my breakfast is almost ready. I'm going to go have some. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya. Thanks.